Good morning, friends. Let us continue our series problems. Yesterday we covered few, and now we'll cover a lot more. We'll try to understand. We'll crack all of this. Okay, let's look at this question. 2, 3, 11, 38, 102, 229, 443. This series is of medium growth, right? It is not growing very fast. It's not growing very slow. 11, 3 times, again around 3 times, 2 times, around 2 times. It is a medium growth. And it doesn't look like a geometric progression also. And you can see there are even numbers, there are odd numbers. That means there must be some addition. Even and odd in the series, if it is coming, that means definitely there would be an addition. Because if it is only multiplication, then it will not result in even and odd. Let's look at the difference. 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, then 3 plus 8, then 27, right? Then 64. You can see, right? 1, 8, 27, 64. That is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Right. So 2 plus 1 cube. 1 cube is 3. 3 plus 2 cube. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 3 cube. 11 plus 27 is 38. 38 plus 4 cube. 38 plus 64 is not 2. 102 plus 1 cube. 1 plus 125. It should be 227. Here it is not 227. 229. So this is wrong. Right? The answer should have been 227. See, this was very easy. You just need to understand how the series is going. Is it moderate growth? Is it slow growth? Is it fast growth? And then whether there are even decimal numbers in the series. What is the growth of the series? What is the composition of the series? Whether there are odd, even and odd. Right. Mostly the series would involve all of this series, some multiplication and some addition. Something into x plus y. In some cases, it would be raised to some power, x power p plus y power q into x power p plus y power q. We'll see this in detail. Next, look at this series. 2800, 1400, 697. So just look at the sense. The sense of the series. This is again 2 times. This is also 2 times. This is also 2 times. This is also 2 times. Roughly it is all 2 times. Right? It looks very easy. It is roughly 2 times. If you look at it, 41 into 2 plus 2 is 84. Right. 84 into 2, 168 plus 3 is 171. Similarly, 171 into 2 plus 84 into 2 plus 84 into 2 is 168 plus 3 is 171, right? 171 into 2 plus 4 is 340. 171 into 2 is 4 is 346. 342 plus 4, 346. 346 into 2 plus 5 is 697. You can see into 2 plus 1, into 2, into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, into 2 plus 4, into 2 plus 5. Right, similarly, 697 into 2. What is 1400 minus 6? That is 1394. 1394 plus 6 is 1400. Okay, 1400 into 6 into 2 plus 7 is 2807. So you can see this is the difference. Which one? 346. 346. 171 into 2 plus 4. It should have been 346. instead of 347. See, the question is very easy. You just need to get some sense of how the series is moving. Next, let's get to the next one. 108, 54, which is half of it. Again, 36 and 18, then 6 and 4. Looks like the series is sometimes it is 1.5 times, one times it is 2 times. Between 54 and 108, it is 2 times. This is 1.5. This is 2, like this. Okay. Now let's see. It looks like, so this is again 1.5. This is 1.5 times. Okay. Let's look at this. Let's go from the right. 4 into 1.5 is 6. 6 into 1.5 is 9. This is 9. But 6 into 2 should have been 12. Then if it is 12, 12 into 1.5 would have been 18. Then 18 into 2 would be 36. 36 into 1.5 would be 54. 54 into 2 would be 108. It's just multiplication of 1.5 by 2. So in this, from 6, if 6 into 2 should have been 12 instead of 9. It should have been 6 times 1.5. It should have been 12. Okay. So this is very easy. Next problem. This one. This is actually a very interesting problem. It's a very interesting problem. Let's see. So here, if you can see, 0 square, 1 square, 3 square, 6 square, somewhere around 10 square, 15 square, 21 square. Right? Clearly looking like 99, somewhere something is off. This 99. Look at this. 0, the difference is 1, the difference is 2, the difference is 3, 3 plus 3, 6, then 4, then 5, then 6. Right? So 1 square, then 3 square, then 6 square, then 10 square, then 15 square, then 21 square. This is one part of the problem. By looking at this, you can clearly see 99 is wrong because you're going in squares. Now, another part of the problem. Oh, this is a beautiful series. I'll tell you. 0 cube plus 1 cube is 1. 1 cube, that is this, plus 2 cube is 9. Then 9, whatever this one. 1 cube plus 2 plus 3 cube is equal to 9 plus 27 is 36. Right? Similarly, 1 cube plus whatever plus 4 cube. 36 plus 4, 100. 36 plus 64. Similarly, 1 cube plus whatever plus 5 cube. 100 plus 125. This is 225. Similarly, 6 cube. 225 plus 216, which is 41. 1 cube plus whatever plus 6 cube. You understood this? When you sum the cubes, they're going in this direction, right? 1 cube, then 0 to 2 cube, 0 to 3 cube, 0 to 4 cube, 0 to 5 cube. This is all this. Then 0, 1 cube is equal to 1 square. 2 cube is equal to 3 square. Sum of, sum of. 0 to 3 cube is equal to 6 square. 0 to 4 cube is equal to 10 square. 0 to 5 cube is equal to 15 square. Sigma 6 cube. Sigma x cube 0 to 6. This is equal to 20 square. Sigma x cube 0 to 7 would be equal to 21 plus 7, 28 square. Like this. This is a wonderful series. You can notice it. The sum of cubes, when you sum these cubes, when you sum all the cubes of all natural numbers, they will grow in the series of squares. Every new number that you will add, the square, the number to whose square it is belonging, will go up by those many digits. Right? 0 to 7. If you are adding 1 cube plus 2 cube plus what 7, then it will become 1 plus 7. If you are adding the first 6, 1 to till 6, then it will become 15 cube plus, then it will become 6, it will become 15 square up to 6 cube. Understood this? This is a very important problem. Now let's skip to the next one, which is 3, 7.5, 15, 37.5, 75, 167.5, 375. There is some point 5 involved. That means there must be some addition slash multiplication with some point 5. Right. Now 3, 7.5. What we do? 3 into 2.5 is 7.5. This is one way. Let's say 7.5 is coming as between. You can very clearly see 7.5 into 2 is 15. Let's try continuing this. 15 into 2.5 is 37.5. Right? 37.5 into 2 is 75. 75 into 2.5 is 75 into 2.5. This should be 187.5, whereas it is 167.5. So this is the correct answer. This is the one that should have been 187.5. Okay, that is very easy. Next, 2, 3, 6, 15, 45. Here also, the numbers are going between odd, even, right? And there is a 0.5. And the numbers are growing fast. Growing kind of fast because this is kind of 4 times. This is also kind of 4 times. This kind of 3 times. This kind of 2.5 times, etc. etc. Let's see. So there must be some multiplication which involves 0.5. 2 into 1.5 is 3. Then 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2.5 is 15, right? 15 into 3 is 45. 45 into 3.5, 157.5. I'll tell you some trick here. Okay, it looks like 166.5 is wrong. Right. Now 157.5 into 4 is 630. How will you do? Well, this is 150 into 4 plus 7.5 into 4. 7.5 into 4 is 30. Right. It is 15 into 2. This is equal to 30. So that's why it is 630. Right. Now I'll tell you one trick here, which is very important, which is 45 into 35, which is this 157 that I had written. No? is equal to 157 that I have written. Or I'll tell one trick which will help you in doing any kind of multiplication which is ending in 5. For example, 25 into 75 or 35 into 65, etc. etc. Okay. There's a simple trick here. We all know 25 into 25. What we do is 625, which is 2 into 2 plus 1. And then we will put 25. 2 into 3, 625. Similarly, 35 square. 35 square is 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 4, 12. And then you will directly put 25. Similarly, 45 square is 4 into 4 plus 1. 4 5 is 20. 20, 25. 75 square is 7 into 7 plus 1. 7 8 is 56. 25. This we all know. 45 square. Now let's extend this. 25 into 35. What you do? 2 into one number which is higher than 3. 2 into 4. 8. 8 25. Okay. 825. 1. Whatever is the difference into 50. Whatever is the difference into 50. 8 25. Similarly, 25 into 55. 2 into one number higher than 5. 2 6. 12. First you write 12 25. Plus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 50. Plus 150. 25 into 55 will therefore become 1225 plus 1 is 30 75. Okay. Likewise, 45 and 35. 45 into 35. Take the lowest number. 3 into 5 plus 1. 3 into 5 equals 15. 15, 25, you make 5. Then 4 is 3. It's 1. 1 times 50. So 15, 75. This is the answer. Any numbers ending with 5. This is the way to do. So in future, when you see any such multiplication, you should immediately do it. You should not even use pen and paper. Your speed should be that good. Right, guys? Cool. Now let's try to do one more example, which is 36, 20, 12, 8, 9, 6, 5.5. This looks easy only. Okay. It looks very easy. See, there's a difference of 16. There's a difference of 8. This is a difference of 4. Uh, Ideally, there should be a difference of 2. There should be a difference of 1. There should be a difference of 0.5. 30 minus 16 is 20. 20 minus 8 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 2 should be 6. 6 minus 1 should be 5. 5 minus 5 should be 4.5. Right. Then 8 minus 2. This is wrong. This is not good. Then it should have been 6. Right. Then 6. Then 5. Then 4.5. So this is wrong. This is wrong. This is the answer. Cool, yes. I think we have learned a few more series exercises. We'll continue doing more. Hope you have understood this. Broadly, what we are trying to do, let us summarize. We are trying to understand, get a sense of how series is going. How series is by, is it fast? Is it slow? Is it moderate? This is one check you have to do. And then composition of the series. Composition, which means are there odd numbers? Are there even numbers? Are there decimal numbers? Okay. We also checked series. Most of the series are into some x plus some y. This x could also be raised to some power, and y also be raised to some power. Okay. Something into 1 square plus 1 cube, or something into 2 square plus 2, etc. etc. Some multiplication and some addition. Whether multiplication is there or not, whether addition is there or not, we'll understand by looking at the series and how fast it is growing. Is there any 0.5 factor? Is there any multiplication with 0.5? Is there any addition of odd number or even number? So far, we have discussed all this, and then we have discussed one very important series, Fibonacci series, where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. We have also discussed a very important series, which is summation of x cube, 0 to 1 or 0 to n of x cube. This also results in some kind of y square. Okay, we have discussed this like 6 square, then 10 square, then 15 square, then 21 square, etc. This is also an important series. When the difference is moving in some kind of square or some kind of cube, then there must be some important series that is lying hidden. Cool, guys. I think you have learned some good techniques. Let us continue our techniques and let us continue methods in our next session. Thank you. Bye bye.